Welcome back to Guitalele tutorials. In today's video, I am going to show you one particular finger picking pattern that you can use with the sliding chord patterns that I have talked earlier into one of the videos, and also any other chord patterns or any other chord progression that you want to, and you can get a like of mysterious sounding effect on that. So I'll play it once more. Okay, and you can also use alternating bass patterns, alternating bass picking with this particular finger picking pattern. So without further ado, let's get started. The pattern here I am discussing has two parts in it. The first part is that thumb, middle, index, thumb. Okay, once again, thumb, middle, index, thumb. Okay, in terms of strings, so the thumb plays each of any of the basses. Okay, so let's play the 6th string or the top string as the bass here, 6. Then we play 2 with our middle finger and 3 with our index finger, and again 6 with our thumb. Okay, so now you note that we are playing bass twice on the first part, right? So thumb, middle, index, thumb, and you also know that this thumb can play any of the basses. Now if I am using any 6 string chords like A minor or 5 string chords like D minor, what you can essentially do is that you can alternate the bass in those particular chords. So what you can do is that, let's say for A minor, I am holding A minor on my left hand. So here it is, I am holding A minor on my left hand. So what you can do essentially is that let's say on the upside, or when we are starting the pattern, so we can start with the 6th string, but when we are ending the pattern, we can use the 5th string. Okay, or maybe when you are playing the D minor chord, so that's a 5 string chord. So what we can essentially do is that we can play the 5th string on the starting note, and when ending we can use the 4th string. So this was the first part, where you can also use the alternating bass picking trick, right? And you can it can sound like a bassline gating played along. Okay, so now coming to the second part. The second part sounds like this. Okay, the first part was starting with the bass strings, either of these 3 bass strings, right? The second part will start with the treble part. Okay, and then we'll do the middle, and then index, and then middle again. So second part is a bit easier to understand. So there is no change like bass or something like that. There is no return. So you just play simply, or A M I M, or in terms of strings, 1 2 3 2. Okay. So now when you combine these two parts, this becomes again thumb, middle, index, thumb, A M I M, T M I T, A M I M. You can play it with any of the sliding chord patterns that we have learned earlier, or you can use it with any minor chords, and you can get a very mysterious feeling sound. Okay, now coming to a little bit of the practice. You can set the metronome to 90, and on each beat you can play one string. T M I T A-M-I-M-T, M-I-T. Okay, and once you get comfortable with it, you can play with 120 and then 140, 160. I think 160 will be pretty good to play with, and keep practicing, keep playing it with other chords, and let me know how it went. Thank you.